Everyone, today let's take a look at this kit. The box, the presentation is awesome. Nice little manual. Nice decals. Look at this. So map packs. Whoa. Look at this. This is cool. So you can actually switch settings.
Counting mode. Remote control. Counting mode.
This is so cool. So you go ahead and you pull this out if you want to use this. So let's line this up. Programming. This is the controller itself. Let's go ahead and take a look, see what kind of batteries you need. So it looks like you need 2 AAA batteries. Okay, I want to show where it's a little darker so you can see the colors, because you can change them. He is so cute. This would make the perfect gift. So you can control him with the remote. So I have the remote. You can let him automatically go where he wants. You can adjust the arm, as you can see. So we're going to play with all the settings here. We're going to press play. What's up, little guy? What's up? So there's going to be a lot to learn. There's Bluetooth and everything. Okay, you can adjust the speed as well. So here's mode 1. Here's 2. And here's 3. Actually pretty quick.
Quack, quack, quack. Tack, 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 tack. Meow. Meow. Woof, woof, woof.
Let's see. Let's do the volume here. So yeah, there's a lot more that you guys can do with this. We're just playing with a couple settings here. So I'm now in program mode. Okay. So it does, program mode does whatever you want it to do. Now we need more area for it to do. But yeah, program mode.
Remote control.
Yeah, there's just a lot that you can do. Like a lot.